Hi, good day. Today I'll be discussing about another feature in Python where we can also combine it with other functions. So I'll be starting first with it's just like a review. I think I discussed this already with the use of in and not. Example, if we're going to open the Python idle, let me try to use this one. And this is just actually a review. Let me say we have here numbers and we're going to put it in a bracket. Let me say 1, 3, then 4 and 5. So what I'm going to do in here, try to show to you whether we can apply the function called in. So in this case, we will be using like this. Let me say, I want to know if 2 is in the numbers. So you can just simply type this way, 2 in numbers. So it's like you are asking. Okay, so that's true. And we can also say 4 in numbers. Or let me say I'll use another number. Let me say 6. False. Obviously, number 6 is not in the list. And how about we will be using the function called not. For this case, we will say 4 not in numbers. So it's like we're asking, is 4 not in the list of numbers? Obviously, the answer is false because 4 is in the list. As you can hear, 4 is in here. All right, now how about, let's try it again. 1 and 8 not in numbers. True. We can actually apply this especially when we try to create a program where there is a need to make a conditional questions. Okay. How about using a letters? That's also possible. Let me say friends. And I have here, let me say John. Another friend, Jana. And another one is Jassy. Okay, I have 3 friends in here. Let me say I'm going to put here another one, Joshua. Alright, I have 4 friends, assuming. I can also use this one, the command and not. So you just have to simply put it in a single quote or double quote. Let me say Jana in France. True. How about, let me say Jenny in France? False. Obviously the answer is false because Jenny is not in our list. How about Jassy not in France? Okay, the answer is false because Jassy is actually in the list. So this is how you're going to apply the use of not in and in. Okay, this is just actually a review on the use of not in and in. Okay,